Welcome to the warm-up and workout questions for the module on Subquery Variations. Let's start by using the classic models database. Once you've used the classic models database, please pause this video and try to attempt the following 4 queries. Hopefully you've been successfully able to solve these queries. Let's go ahead and take a look at their solutions. The first query asks you to write a query to list out the country of a customer and the percentage of customers from that country. In this case, it shall be select country from customers, and we want to group by country because we want the percentage of customers. So, in fact, we need to count customer number. Well, this gives us a basic count of customers from a country. We want a percentage, and so we want to divide by the total number of customers in the country. If this number is multiplied by 100, we get the percentage of customers from the country. The second query asks us to list out the customer name and the percentage of total payments made by the customer. In this case, we want to select customer name, and since we want payments, we have to say from the customers table joined to the payments table on customers.customer number is equal to payments.customer number. We want to group by the customer name. We want to sum up amount. Now, this is going to give us the amount paid by each customer. I want this as a percentage, and so I shall divide by the total amount paid by all customers. Once I've done this, if I multiply by 100, I get the percentage amount paid by each and every customer. The third query asks you to write a query to list out the customer name and their average payment amount if the average amount is greater than the overall average amount. In this case, we want to, very similar to the other query, select customer name. In this case, we want average amount from customers, join payments on customers.customer number is equal to payments.customer number. We want to group by customer name. Now, obviously, in this case, this is the overall average amount paid by each customer. We want to make sure that this average amount paid by each customer is greater than the overall average. And so the overall average is calculated by the average amount from the payments table. In this case, we have a subquery in the having clause. In this last query, you are asked to list out the product line and the number of products in the product line if the average MSRP of the product in the product line is less than the average MSRP of all products. In this case, we are going to work from the products table. The products table has the product line column. We can use that. And I want to count the number of products in the product line. Now, I need to group by product line, but I need this count under certain conditions. The average MSRP of products in the product line needs to be less than the overall average MSRP. If you do this, we see that we have 5 different product lines and the number of products in the product line that have an average MSRP of the product line less than the overall average. This concludes the warm-up and workout question set for subquery variations. Please let me know if you have any questions. Thank you very much.